Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Got this new webcam, so I'm trying this shit out right now. So hopefully everything looks good. Hopefully everything sounds good. I'm gonna run through this trade recap. I just got stopped out break even on this trade. Executions are right here. So I took this on 3 accounts on MNQ. I took 8 micros on each. Ended up just getting stopped out break even. I want to see price go lower. This is a risky trade, obviously. But I was willing to take it, and price action was pretty shit. As you can see, the whole session just went sideways. Before I get into this, guys, I post everything in the Discord. I post pre-market analysis and all that stuff there. So if you guys want to join, link will be in the pinned comment or the description. And if you guys want a discount to Alpha Futures, link will be in the pinned comment as well. So go check that out. I'm going to run through this really quick. So starting off at open, we had a nice strong push down. So either I was looking for reversals back up at this point, or I wanted to see a continuation model lower. So I ended up trying to hit an entry in and around here. Where was it exactly? Right around here. And then I ended up just closing out break even because I hated how price was moving at this point. So then we ended up reassessing, and I'm just going to go over this trade because this was kind of the main one. So on the 15, price ended up coming back in, poking into this 15-minute bearish for value gap right here. And from here, I was looking for a continuation lower, potentially down to fill in this lower fair value gap, and potentially take out this swing low down here, and then maybe, get that retracement back up in the PM or something like that. So again, price poked into this 15-minute bearish, and then from there, we went down to the 1 minute, and we found the highest time frame inversion, which was this 1 minute bearish close right here. We ended up getting in around 53. I ran stops above the wick high right here, and I let my idea was to have ES as my guide, because at this point ES had still left these hourly lows, these swing hourly lows right here. So I wanted to see ES come down and take those out, and then when that happened, I figured maybe both NQ and ES would want to flush lower. So it ended up taking out these lows around 11 o'clock, and that's when I moved my stop loss to break even. Right around here, 11 o'clock. So we ended up getting in the trade off this 1 minute inverse after we tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. We ended up taking it down, getting some drawdown, come back down. ES sweeps up that hourly low, and it's 11 o'clock. I don't like being on the charts at 11 o'clock, so I move my stop loss to break even at this point. And I basically just say, screw it, I'm just going to let the rest of this trade run, see if we can come down lower and potentially hit those lower gaps, or take out I think we had the New York lunch low from yesterday down here, just see if we could come down and have one more flush lower. So anyway, we end up pushing down. Price is looking still bearish, maintaining bearish order from the lower time frame, but then price ends up coming up just now and stopping us out. Break even on the day. Again, very shitty price action today. We literally just went sideways the entire range. Nothing else you could really do, nothing else you could really catch. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Really quick one today. Nothing. Break even day for me. That's going to wrap it up for me. I'm going to record some live trading sessions probably tomorrow. If not this week. I'm just going to make sure this camera's working good and everything. But that's going to wrap it up for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, Discord link in the description. Alpha Futures discount in the description and the pinned comment, all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.